planet Earth is facing at present. It is essential to understand the gravity of situation. The fossil fuels that you all use in order to charge your home, car, business, industries, etc. That is heating up the temperature of Earth faster than expected. We are recording hottest day and decades ever. It only will get more from here if we don't stop it now. Dear audience, now I am to tell you the impact of global warming. The primary cause of global warming is fossil fuel. Human beings are addicted to burn them, which produce coal, oil, greenhouse gas and more. That is the reason why the temperature of Earth is rising, and due to the rising of temperature, the coral reefs are dying and many aquatic species are going extinct while the glaciers are melting. You will be surprised to know that the Greenland lose 20% of more mass when it receives from a new snowfall. Thus it will be keep shrinking as Earth warms. However, the extreme weather pattern is for everyone to see. And the hurricanes are doubling up in the nature in the term of occurrence, and the Katrina hurricanes is a best example of prove this point. And the Greenland and Western Antarctica is in great fear of melting completely. And please note that two ice sheets contain about 20% of Earth's fresh water. The coastal areas are damaged globally due to the rising of oceans. Dear audience, now I am to tell you how to tackle global warming. Now it is time to do something to prevent global warming, otherwise the global warming will be irreversible. Electricity and transportation contribute largely to global warming, so we have to start from here. Every home, car, business, industries and an individual effort has to tackle these crises, as a coal produces tons of carbon dioxide annually, so we have to find some ways to clean up coal. We also can tackle global warming by putting agriculture on the system. We have to encourage our farmers to adopt greener farming practices. The same design should be applied in the industries that is the producer of carbon dioxide. For instance, the industry of transportation, like car, vehicles, aeroplanes produce 28% of carbon dioxide emission. On an individual level also, we have to adopt a greener and healthier lifestyle, avoid the unnecessary wastage of food and get in the habit of recycling and use recycling and of electric appliances when not in use. And most important thing is that plant a tree, because a plant absorbs tons of carbon dioxide in its lifetime. And please remember that the change will come from you. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Very beautiful.